Hi friends, hope you all are doing great. Today I will give you a tour of my dad's maintenance-free garden. This garden tour will give you an idea that even if you can't devote plenty of time in your garden, then also you can grow a beautiful garden to enjoy nature. So, welcome to Plantify. My dad was an avid gardener. Every year he used to grow a beautiful flower garden. But after a massive cerebral stroke, nowadays he can't grow that much. But still, he has a beautiful garden to enjoy. And see how he take a stroll at his garden every day and take little care of his plants. We all lend some hands, and now you can see how those plants, those sunflowers and zinnias are growing. When you enter the house, this flower bed at the right side of the pathway. And at the center of the garden, there is a big mango tree. We are getting plenty of mangoes every year. Now, at the opposite side of this pathway, there are some low maintenance plants like snake plants, aloe vera, some cactus, and some perennial plants like adeniums and ixoras. See, these are some old cactus. See how they flowered this time. And at the back side, there is a tiny backyard garden patch where we have a banana tree and a lemon plant. Once this garden was well curated, maintained, beautiful garden. But even today, it's a beautiful natural garden where my parents can enjoy little nature around them. Both of them enjoy spending time in the garden. They enjoy the greenery, birds, flowers, and even squirrels. Hope you have enjoyed this maintenance-free garden tour. I will make another video during winter season and will show you how winter garden shapes up. See you soon with another video. Till then, bye bye.